Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself in a pinch, wishing you had the right tool right in your pocket? Today, we're talking about something that's not exactly your typical beauty product, but it can definitely make your life a little easier when it comes to keeping things neat and tidy, whether you're on the go or at home. Let me introduce you to the Victorinox 0.6463.T2 Folding Pocket Knife Nail Clip 580. It's a compact and versatile multi-tool designed to keep your hands and nails looking sharp. This little Swiss Army knife isn't just for outdoor enthusiasts or survivalists. It's perfect for anyone who wants a handy, all-in-one tool that keeps their nails neat and their essentials close at hand. The Nail Clip 580 includes a variety of tools, like a nail clipper, nail file, nail cleaner, tweezers, a toothpick, a small blade, and even a pair of serrated edge scissors, all housed in a sleek, compact design that fits right in your pocket. The construction of the Victorinox Nail Clip 580 is a testament to Swiss craftsmanship. Built from durable ABS Celador scales, this pocket knife feels solid yet lightweight in hand. With a weight of just 36 grams, about 1.3 ounces, it's incredibly easy to carry around without feeling bulky. The sharpness of the nail clipper and the precision of the other tools made it clear right away that this is a product designed to perform. In terms of real-world testing, this product stood up to its claims. I used it daily for a few days, starting with the nail clipper. The clipper is extremely sharp, trimming nails cleanly without any jagged edges. The nail file works just as well, smoothing out any rough patches after trimming. The nail cleaner is an excellent addition for those of us who like to keep our nails pristine. It's easy to use and gets the job done without too much effort. The tweezers and toothpick come in handy for minor grooming tasks. Whether you need to grab a stray hair or clean out your teeth after a meal, they're small but effective. The scissors, though compact, were surprisingly sharp, making them a great backup option if you need to cut something in a pinch. My only minor gripe is the small blade. While it's sharp, it's best suited for light tasks and not heavy-duty cutting. Pros? It's all about convenience. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just want to keep everything organized in one small, easy-to-carry tool, the Victorinox Nail Clip 580 offers fantastic functionality in a very portable form. The Swiss quality really shines through in the sturdiness and smooth operation of the various parts. Plus, the ruby red color adds a stylish touch to a very practical item. On the downside, while it's an excellent tool for general use, the small blade and scissors may not be enough for more demanding cutting tasks. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty multi-tool for survival purposes, this might not be your best bet. Also, since it's a compact design, some may find it a bit fiddly to use for very detailed tasks, like trimming the tiniest of nails. Now, in terms of value for money, this Swiss-made tool is priced quite reasonably for the quality you're getting. At its core, you're paying for precision, durability, and a multifunction tool that does more than just serve as a nail clipper. Sure, there are other multi-tools on the market, but this one is designed with an attention to detail that's hard to beat. The versatility and convenience of having all these tools in such a small form factor justify the price for me. In comparison to similar items on the market, you'll find that the Victorinox brand stands out due to its exceptional quality and reliability. Other multi-tools may offer similar features, but none quite have the same reputation for craftsmanship or longevity as Victorinox. It's hard to argue with Swiss precision. As far as build quality goes, the Nail Clip 580 is built to last. The ABS Celador material feels tough, but also lightweight, making it perfect for daily use without weighing you down. The design is sleek, and the tools operate smoothly without any hesitation, which is exactly what you want from a high-quality pocket tool. In terms of longevity, I'd expect this to serve you well for many years, given Victorinox's track record of producing durable products. There hasn't been any need for customer service on my end, but Victorinox is known for its reliable customer support should you ever need assistance. Their reputation for quality extends beyond the product itself and into how they handle customer inquiries and warranty claims. As for updates, nothing major to report for this product at the moment. It's a tried and true classic in the Victorinox lineup. That said, If you're in the market for a Swiss Army knife with more specialized tools or a larger size, they've got plenty of other models worth considering. If you're looking for alternatives that still give you solid value but at a lower price point, there are other multi-tools with similar functionality. Brands like Gerber and Leatherman offer affordable models that focus more on cutting tools and less on nail care. But if you want that specific nail clipper functionality and Swiss precision, Victorinox is really where it's at. So what's the final verdict? The Victorinox 0.6463.T2 folding pocket knife nail clip 580 is a high-quality, multifunctional tool that's perfect for anyone who wants to keep their nails and their pockets organized. It excels in performance and portability, making it an excellent choice for people who value convenience and craftsmanship. It's a great fit for travelers, busy professionals, or anyone who needs a reliable, everyday carry tool. If you're someone who values precision, quality, and a sleek design, this is definitely worth the investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for being here, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.